Explore the exclusive bar cabinet we've designed for Hilton Hotels across the USA. Crafted to elevate the luxury experience, this piece will be featured in 5-star Hilton Hotels nationwide. Join us in this behind the scenes look at its creation.
Sagist Group is ready to make your dreams come true anywhere in the world, whether it is a villa, a house, or large-scale residential projects. Our team handles every aspect from design to production, shipping, and installation, ensuring a seamless, turnkey experience. Most renowned bespoke luxury furniture manufacturers proudly operates showrooms in 23 countries, showcasing the pinnacle of Turkish craftsmanship and quality. Trust us to deliver unparalleled elegance and sophistication to your space. Worry-free experience. Welcome to Sagist Group Luxury World.